welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. I hope you all are doing great nowadays. It's very important to stay safe and I hope everybody is staying safe, those who are watching this video. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a summer kurti haul. Now summer is all around the corner in every state, and I think people are really pissed off the summer, and at the same time, yes, definitely the pandemic has hit us really hard. So since it's a summer, and I think kurti is something which is a day-to-day wear. I know everybody is staying at home, but whenever, if for example you are like going for little work here and there, I hope that is something which I wear apart from western. So kurti is something which is I got really interested in this summer, and I got myself like 2-3 kurtis and one palazzo and jacket and few stuffs, keeping in consideration that it is summer. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles will be in the description box, so you can definitely check out there. Just in case if you missed the notification from YouTube, you can definitely get it notified from Instagram, where I do keep on posting if there is any recent video that is coming, and you will get a better glimpse of all that. So having said that, let's begin the video. The first kurti that I'm gonna show is something which I am wearing right now. This is again a beautiful katha stitch kurti that we call. It is a little oversized. I love to wear it a little loose, having considered it as a summer. So I will insert a clipping after this of the kurti, how it looks like when I kind of wear it. So yeah, there will be a separate clipping of the kurti, and let me give you a little closer. It is all a katha stitch work of a beautiful, it is all worked properly. This is a printed, but this is all worked, so it's a combination of worked and a printed kurti. So yes, let's just see how it looks on me. Next kurti which I will be talking about is a little deep pinch, like peach color, deep peach, which is like a deeper version of peach and lighter version of the pink. A very beautiful color. Again, it is the work is over here. It's a kind of sequence work, complete cotton kurti. Here also there will be little sequence work going around. Very simple, but the fabric is so good. At the back it is pretty normal, and I will also insert a clipping of how this actually looks like when I wear it. Now let me talk about the cost. The cost of this kurti is like 299 something. This was little pricey, 425. This was for rupees 299, somewhere like that. So I got this kurti from a Facebook seller, which is Juhi Sarkar. I got it from her. These are all the kurtis which are exclusively made in Calcutta. Now as we all know that the Calcutta is very famous for its cotton products. So all the kurtis are from Calcutta. They are pure cotton. Even the kurti that I am wearing is pure cotton. It's a printed and little katha work. So these are all the kurtis from Calcutta, and when you wear it in summer, you actually feel what cloth is that. It's super comfortable. It is sweat absorbent and very easy to work out this summers. So the next thing is I got a palazzo out of it. next kurti that I will be talking about is a beautiful peachy kind of kurti with a beautiful embroidered work. Now the next kurti is this beauty. This is a beautiful kurti, guys. The neckline is here, and then the katha, this is also a stitch work, and this is absolute cotton, and the sleeve goes like here, and there will be also a work on the sleeves part, and also there will be a wooden kind of 2 buttons over here, and then this is a beautiful kurti running down. At the back it is completely pretty normal, but the color is real cute. So let's just see how it looks. So the plazo somewhere looks like this. It's a very grayish kind of a plazo. This is not a cotton, it's a kind of a rayon material, and it is not very flared plazo. It's a kind of a pant plazo, and at the bottom there is a detailing of like this. For that also I will insert a picture of that. The last product that I got from Juhi Sarkar is a beautiful jacket, by the way, and I will make a next video also, probably next month, because I ordered few more kurtis and jacket for my mom, kurtis for my mom, and jacket for myself, and one pen silhouette pant from her. So I will definitely make a separate video of that. Let's just check how the jacket looks like. The jacket is a beautiful mirror work jacket. This is what the jacket looks like. Yeah, and there will be also a kind of a closing here. I will also insert a separate pic of how this jacket looks like and on which kurti you can pair this up. A beautiful jacket with a complete mirror work. Now at the back it is pretty much simple like this, and it is again a cotton work, but the work over here is so good that I absolutely love this jacket. I do not have jacket to wear it on kurti, and this is my first jacket, and I'm super happy. Thank you so much Juhi Sarkar for providing such a quality product out of so reasonable. Now this kurti, this jacket is also for like 200 change, which is very affordable, guys, of the kind of work on the kurtis and jacket that is. So I will mention all the clippings of how this kurti looks like when I actually wear this. So I hope this video was really helpful. I will leave her link of Facebook profile in the description box so that you can get in touch with her and also purchase for yourself. So without further ado, let's just wrap up this video, and I hope it was a little helpful. I hope it was also entertaining. Out of all this pandemic, this was a little helpful and also a little stress reliever. That's the reason I do make these videos even in pandemic. I know kurti is not required in this pandemic, but definitely when you want to gift yourself something, you can definitely purchase that if that stays away from the stress, and none of them are very expensive. These are the products that we use in day-to-day life, and spending a little amount is not that bad. Yeah, that's pretty much. Stay very positive, and I will definitely see you in the next video, guys. There is a giveaway in the last video that I've already announced. There are basic 4 rules. You have to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, comment down below of what all the products that you want as a giveaway. I will definitely be doing that. And 4th, subscribe to my other channel, which is a cooking vlog channel, which is in my name, Rituparna Datta. So these are the 4 rules to qualify the giveaway. So there will be 3 giveaways, and if the first giveaway, the person is eligible for 800 something products of whatever they choose. The second giveaway is 600, and the third is for 500. They are very good, and all the products I hope you guys will like and will be of your choice. So yes, that's a giveaway, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.